All right, welcome to the final step to stake your Peak. This is step 6. Robin got you started with staking your Peak in step 5. If you're totally like out of the loop, look below. There's things you got to do to get BNB into your Metamask wallet. There's all kinds of steps a person has to do to engage with BNB and the Binance Smart Chain network in the first place that allows you to engage with all kinds of opportunities in cryptocurrency, not just this one. So if you missed all that, look at the links below to get you set up with using BNB in the first place. But if you've been moving through these steps, step 5, Robin was showing you how to get started with staking your Peak. And then now in step 6 is the final step to start staking Peak. Here's Robin.
Now, I am capable of doing the maximum here. So I have 5.24 that I can stake of Peak, and I can decide up to 1,000 days how much I want to do it. So it shows you on the right different bonuses that you get if you keep it in for longer. So 10 days is the minimum. If I do for 20 days, you see what happens. 30 days, it starts to increase. And then when I click stake, then I get to stake my Peak, and it looks like this. And when you start to, your activity will be under here. And then when you start to invite people, your referral link will be here associated with your account. And you'll see underneath here that you have commissions, if you have any commissions. So let me select the other account actually. So show you the account where I have the Peak. Okay, hit refresh. Okay, so now it's showing me here that when I click invite friends, your referral link will be here. And that's what you would give people. But again, we want to make sure that you don't give your affiliate link to anyone until they go through every other step, okay? They need to go through all the steps until they get to step 5, and then they click on the link or receive your link, because if not, then you lose out on the being connected to that person, because you have to do it right away. They have to stake the Peak as soon as they get to that link, okay? So you see here, and then there's commissions down here. You'll see commissions down here, the commissions received, and then you'll see that the commission is here, and then your staked Peak is here, and then you can keep staking Peak from here. And it tells you the rewards that come in when you do that, okay? So what a powerful process, guys. I'm really excited to get you guys started. If you have questions, go and refer to the support groups we have in the Facebook community, or reach out to the person who brought you here. This is the time for us to generate lots and lots of cryptocurrency. This is the time. Really inspired.